Morning world, how are you all? I've already edited and I can't be bothered re-editing, so I'm just going to put it in this week's vlog. I forgot to tell you, the reason I'm doing the giveaway is because October 17th will be 4 years on YouTube, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's been supporting me, all the lovely comments, and I just really appreciate it. It'll be finished. I'll choose the winner on October the 17th. If none of you know what I'm on about, go to last week's vlog, and it'll tell you about it. And thank you. Bye. Morning world, how are you all? Just thought I'd show you the little puppy, because don't look at my fruit. I need the wardrobe for all my clothes. I've dyed my hair. Are you ready to see the product? Ta-da! What do you think? Is it bright enough? I love it. George loves it. I would have liked it a bit brighter actually, because if I take it down, it's not as dark, except for the roots. Not as bright, should I say, so never mind. It's still good though. I have not vlogged all week and I've got no excuse. I just haven't wanted to pick up the camera. I haven't done nothing, so hope I'm not flashing anything, because I just got undressed in bed and I was like, oh shit, I forgot to show them my hair. So that's that. Tomorrow is Friday. Can't go swimming. Well, I don't know. I might be able to once George finishes work. But I can't go in the morning as normal, because we have finally bought a mattress. So I've got to wait for that to come. It got dispatched last Friday, right? So it'll be here Wednesday. What? Wednesday the 20th. Still waiting. So, and tomorrow's Friday, so we'll see if it comes, because once them two get in from work, I might see if George will nip me up and we'll go swimming about 11. I mean, it's not like the schools are there, so the kids are school, should I say, so shouldn't be that busy. She's licking my bed frame, by the way. That's the noise in the background. So yeah, that's it. I'm not allowed to get my hair wet though this time round, in case it still runs, because it hasn't had a wash since it was put on. So then that's it. I'm busy. It's Avon texting different people that weren't in tonight. Yeah. My friend, we didn't go swimming last week because my friend had morning sickness, because she's 14 weeks pregnant now, I think. Yeah, 14. So I went round on Tuesday, I think it was, and I went round for a couple of hours, had a coffee and a natter and everything. But now her morning sickness is finished, and now I'm bloody. It's been figuring it out, it's been 8 weeks since we last went swimming, because we didn't go over the 6 weeks holidays, and it's been 2 weeks since they went back to school, and then tomorrow will be the ninth week. So I need to go. Stressing me out not going. I mean, 2 weeks tomorrow. 2 weeks tomorrow. Go on holiday, yay! So there won't be a vlog on the Sunday. What day? We'll go on the 7th. So the Sunday the 8th, there won't be a vlog. I'm going to take my laptop so I can put it all on every night, because I've only got the one memory card, because the other one I sold with my GoPro. which George said, what did you do that for? You didn't get one with a GoPro. And I was like, oh, it's done now. So I've only got the one. I've got 3 batteries, so I should be alright. My underwater camera works, new one, goes on the computer fine, so that's great. Even though I found out it's a 45-minute drive or something to the beach, well, because we're way inland, so I might only get to go once. I don't know, we'll see. We're only there a week, so, but that's it. I'm waffling on again. I tend to do that, don't I? And get distracted and think of other stuff. But I'm gonna go. I'll see what happens tomorrow. Bye. Oh, we're going to beamish again on Sunday, but I don't know if we'll record it because I bet you're sick of them by now. It's a classic car event this time, so I'll see what mood I'm in and what the weather's like. So I'll see you all later. Bye. Morning world, or afternoon. We're doing the parcels, right? Worst day to come. We're doing parcels in Sunderland, and there's a match on. I don't know if you can see. Everyone's walking to the match. So no one's in to collect the parcels. There's just been no one at all. So it's going to be a fun day. Oh, another couple of hours to go. There's a burger van as well. It smells so nice, fried onions. So nice. George, there's a dude in the flats. Couldn't be bothered walking up in case the lift was gone. So I thought I'd make him go. So how you liking my hair? It's not as bright now. I've washed it a few times. But yeah, not much to say. I look like a right weirdo talking to you. There's lots of people staring. There's like hundreds and hundreds gone past so far. There's all walking because there's not. George says there's not many car park spaces at the ground because he used to work there. So, but there's like on every single corner around all the streets we've been delivering in, there's a burger van for everyone passing. It's dead weird. But I'll go. I'll see you all later. Bye. George is having to wash the car. Went over something in one of the back streets. It smells like cow manure. The whole car underneath the arches. So, needed a good wash anyway. About time he did something, a lazy sod. I think this is the first time he's ever washed the car since we got it. Now that's terrible, isn't it? I'll just sit and watch. Had a nice latte from McDonald's. Keep me going. Now I need the toilet. But we're finished now anyway. We've got rid of all the parcels except for one weren't in and no one would take it in. I hate it when that happens. So yeah, that's it. Tomorrow beamish. I'll take my camera, see how I feel. Actually, I'll have to take my camera because George will probably want pictures of all the cars because it's a classic car show. So if there's a Jag Mark 5 there, I'll never get him away because he absolutely wants one of them. No. Well, I'll see you later. Bye. Morning world, after beamish. We've even got, I don't know if you can see the dog with us. Whew. I've just been rushing around trying to get sandwiches and everything made for the picnic to have in the car, and then was like, oh, we'll take the dog. It's not too hot today. I mean, I'm roasting, but it's like cloudy and everything, so she shouldn't get too hot. we can always get she's allowed on the trams and that if she can't walk anymore. And we're not going in any of the houses because we're just going for the car show, so I thought we'd bring her, get her out, stop her from whinging all day at his mum and dad. So let's get going.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. Don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, and I ain't never gonna stop.
That's the colour you wanted all, isn't it? Disgusting green.
Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.
Yeah, this place is absolutely heaving, so I won't record every single car because this vlog would be way too long.
And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me cause I get attention.
Well, just having something to eat. Piggy already has. And now we're going. Will you pack it in?
Don't come in.
I don't find you funny. Start again. Well, that's us now. Finished. Just had something to eat. We're gonna go back in. Finish looking at the cars. Maybe get a cake from the bakery. And you better pack it in.
My wallet.
Yes, your wallet's there. And then that's it. So I'm not going to get the camera out anymore because there's only so many cars you can look at. So I'm going to go. Bye.